and we hope that we will continue to do this for you guys over there.
Honestly, it's so important because we get to share our Pacifica stories. Kids till our age can share their love for dance, but also we're contributing to the longevity of our Pacifica stories and keeping our culture alive. As the diaspora, first generation, second generation diaspora, it's so important for us to have a home away from home. And events like this, events like today, makes us feel like we're at home, gives us a sense of purpose. We hope we made you guys proud.
There's a proverb, o ka kaul kanga ka folau. Our ancestors were navigators, and now we've navigated here in Turrbal and Yagara country. We have to honour and respect their culture, but also practice ours so we don't lose it from our parents and our ancestors. So important for us as islanders born outside of the island that we remember our culture and remember our ancestors, our cultural protocols. And today here in Mirjin, here in Turrbal Yagara country, we are so honoured to be here on Aboriginal land. And for those who don't know, we're continuing our fight to keep our language strong, our fight for our culture,